just say it. 101. Yeah, man. That's a little quick made it on the one, yeah, you know? Yeah, because this is not even going to be a rant or nothing. You know? This is just something just me having a good little vibe with myself. Yes, I. Good vibes with self. Because I sing me a happy song every day. You know? Sing myself a happy song every day. Don't you? It's good to start the day. The right vibration upon a high vibration. So I sing myself a happy song every day. And if you don't know no makeup, yes I. Yeah man, just say it 101. Reasoning session with Najee Mahat. Reasoning with self and a conscious and a spiritual vibration. Yes I. Today is just a little short one, you know, like a short mellow mood, mellow vibes, yes. Do you sing yourself a happy song every day? I sing myself a happy song every day. Yeah, man. Sometimes I sing it and I just wake up. Sometimes I might just bust out in the happy song in the middle of the day. And I might just, but me know, I not even, but me know say, me I sing a happy song for myself. Yeah, man, if you sing a happy song for yourself, man, and if you don't know one, make up one blood clot. Make up one. I sing a happy song to yourself, you understand? Because if nobody does sing a happy song for you, you know, we are going to sit down and wait for somebody to sing a happy song for you. No, Rasta. Sing a happy song to myself every day. Yes. A word of vampires. Sing a happy song to myself. Let. And the bang, you know, we take a bang. Anyway, I'm now blame the bang and the good vibration and the blood clot English language I try to chip in. I mean, I want chat it because I don't know, me not like it. I part one chat. I mean, I teach myself Swahili one word at a time. Yeah. Teaching myself Swahili one word at a time. I love things me teach myself, you know. Yeah, man, I love things me teach myself, man. Yeah, man, teach myself how to tune up the spine for all the good vibes by singing myself a happy song day or night. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. Sing myself a happy song every day, man. What a vampire and parasites. Mm-hmm. But try it, you know. Try sing yourself a happy song. Try sing yourself a happy song. When you find yourself a bottom in a some depression or some depressing mood, just sing yourself a happy song. You know, me never get that thing there, depression. You know, so that's something they have blood clot. Now we come to think of it. What is depression? What the fuck is depression? How your energy I carry me go there now? I know debate with it. Where you carry me now? What is depression? Depression. Depression is when something keep at you. Them say if you depress, you press something and press down by you, don't it? And I like, what really is that blood clot or depression? That makes some people can't get to be happy. You know, start happy time now, depression just fuck off and go which party time. Where depression I go? You don't care, make depression all down, you know, my sisters. You don't care, make depression all down, you have to strong up in this time and this blood clot give you because the system was designed against woman. Yeah, the system was designed against woman. So, you have to know yourself in this time. You have to know yourself in this time so you can get forward after vampires. You see what I say? You can't lower your standard to certain low vibration, else the vampires will catch you. When you call yourself these derogatory terms, the vampires will catch you. They will catch you off guard. And you can't make the vampire them catch you off guard. So even if the artist them now sing the song for you, sing one for your blood clot self, my sisters, and raise up on the vibration. Raise up on the vibration at this time. Cause this time, a whole heap of sisters going to be happy. You don't want to be the one that is not happy. Why should you let yourself let make yourself get caught out in the cool with the vampires? Eh? Why should you make yourself get caught out in the cold with the vampires with so much zombies going around already? Enough zombie out there, no blood clad, enough zombie out there. Enough zombie out there, no false nails, false lash, and false ass out of blood clad. So be careful and be wise in this time. If I done, and you don't know, so when the split done, you know, session done, don't it? When the split done, the session done. But anyway, the sisters out there, my black sisters, I make you only talk for myself. I can only talk for myself. I can't talk for nobody else. I can only talk for myself. So anybody out there look like me and them are one and the same. So me I talk to the sisters, cause them are me and me are them. Yeah, man. Strong up and don't make the vampires chicken up. Don't lower the vibration. Don't lower the standard. Find that happy song and make it carry out rhythm. The high frequency. Yeah, man. Latch on upon the vibration, right and good and pure and true and just. And elevate yourself and your mind. Vampires can blood clot touch you. I'm have to run and hide. Yo, they, yeah. Blood clot. Tune up your spine with some good vibes, yeah, my sisters. Don't make on the spine. Don't lie to no kundalini fire. Don't waste it to no fuckery vibes and no fuckery vibration. You understand? When you don't want to stay down there, so you want to elevate. You want to elevate. And in order for we elevate with the body, in order for the body elevate, you have to elevate from in yourself first. And how you have to get to elevate from in yourself? You have to start think with yourself. No found the grave when you go over that to blood clot. Think with your heart. How much you can think with your heart? Eh? Because when you love, we don't mind, you know. When you say when you love, we don't mind. And not think we don't heart, you know. Because so as you don't mind change, as so when love change. You see, you want to see the one too. Think with your heart, man. Think with your heart for a change. Think with your heart for a change. And watch the vibration. Yeah, man. Change though. And you have to start think with love. When you think with the heart, you have to start think with love. Blood clot. Blood clot. When you start think with the heart, you start think with love. And when you start think with love, what happen up here, son? And what happen right here, son? What happen right here, son? When you start think with love. Because I don't know, so mama they know. I'm with dad alone up here, so. Mama they done here, so, and them tell you, they make you forget her. Mama they done in here, so, and they make you forget mama. So we try to think with up here, so. Straight father. But that's what we see it, that's what we think. Because if the man, they will tell us, say, logics, them blood clot use. Logics, them use to do whatever. And they get their logics from them. And look for them, you know, love me in the world, you know. Love dead, but it asleep, or them bury it, or them cover it, or whatever they want. It's blood clot, English language. We have a friend, so man, never want to buy it. Oh, hey, yo, I know say. I saw that you never good on this, so. But remember, me telling you, say, my sisters, happy vibration. Sing yourself a happy song. You understand? Just that you need, because you can't start with. You mean I tell you say you don't need, because it's not, me not force nothing for nobody, just a suggestion. But that you can't start with. Start singing yourself a happy song every day, no matter how depressed you be. No matter how you depressed you find yourself when you hear that video, yeah, or see that video, yeah, no matter how depressed you is when you come up on this, and you hear me say, sing a happy song, try it, just try it. Just start hum a happy song. If I have 3 words in it or 4, or if I have 1 word, or if I have lu la 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 la. If I have that, sing yourself a happy song. Just hum yourself a happy song. And it just take the spark, forget the fire going. And see what can, how your life can change. Cause you start it from yourself. And you gonna make up like the song and you gonna put the words in it, so you gonna make sure say it's beautiful for your ears. And you don't have to wait you don't have to wait till nobody there. You can just wait till you're there by yourself. And you don't have to wait till you're there by yourself. You can't sing it in the head. Nobody not for hear when you sing it. Nobody not for hear when you sing it. And two of you know. You have a physical you or a visible you and an invisible you. So you go and make the invisible you go and work until the visible you can work. That's my perception still. If you want to think me crazy, but I fool a blood clot business. I go through the school system. I may never stop short. I may never short change myself in there. I see them go on in there, I see them indoctrination, blood clot. But I am what? Thinking, man. Yeah, man. Don't forget to what? Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Enjoy the reasoning. And don't be afraid to leave a comment. Yeah, man. Just say it, you know? Just say it 101. Reasoning with myself, talking to myself, hurting and affecting no one except the positive and good and strong energy with love and harmony. Yes, sir. Peace out. One love. Walk good. And don't forget, remember Mama. Remember Mama, the divine. Remember Mama Nature. Mama Nature, Mama Earth, Mama Africa, Mama